Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change password on Facebook. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click on my menu at the below right corner. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just click right here at the settings here at the top right. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click right here, the account center or meta. And what you're going to see right here, you're going to see the account settings. And before you do anything, get back to your screen, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead to Facebook right here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just double check if the Facebook app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it, and if it doesn't, just go ahead to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up the Facebook, and you're gonna see right here the meta as we did before. Just go ahead to the password and security, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit right here change password, and you're gonna select if you have more than one account on meta. Just go ahead and select the account that you want to change the password, enter the current password, and enter the new password and confirm it, and just hit change password. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.